Howdy guys, how is it going? This beauty is my bike. This is a walk around video. I'll just do a quick intro to my bike. Start at the front. This is a Powerbronze bubble tinted windscreen. I think that's what it's called. The other one's really low, and I'm pretty tall, so it hits me right in the face. The other one was like here. This one goes much rounder. Then the next thing is my levers. They are they're just some cheap brand. People looking at me like I'm crazy. Yeah, that's just a cheap brand, foldable, adjustable. And it was pretty cheap. It was like $30. And then next we have the levers. Levers. Oh my god, what am I doing? The foot pegs. And for the foot pegs, the other ones are really fat. Like if you look at any of the pictures for the CBR, the 2013 or the 2014, it's really fat. It comes down to like here, and that takes away the chicken strips. So now if I do want to go into the chicken strips, I can. Before I couldn't because it was really fat and it just scraped. So that's that. The spring wasn't meant to be on there, but I put it on anyway because I like when it goes back in case I hit it up or something. And yeah, it kind of scrapes because it doesn't fit properly, but I don't plan to like keep moving it and shit. So that's it's alright there. Same on the other side. This one, it's alright. Yeah, it's much smaller, which is a lot better. And last of all, my last modification that I did was the exhaust. I got a Coffmans short exhaust system, shorty pipe, I guess. And yeah, the baffle is out. I did take the baffle out. I guess see what it looks like down there. I can't really get a good view, but it's really loud. And I'll do a start up in a sec. So yeah, that's basically my bike. There are a few mods to come. I will do fender eliminator because I think that's really ugly at the back there. All that. I don't know if that's a good view. Ooh, jet ski. Yeah, so I'm gonna get rid of the fender, this part. There's nothing else much to do. I mean, you could do heaps and heaps of mods, but that's like all the basic stuff that I really wanted to do to make it look much nicer. So I did the windshield, levers, foot pegs, and exhaust. Yeah, so basically that's it. I'll just stand over here. So many cars coming. That's my bike. And yeah, nothing. Oh, frick! Forgot my startup. Alright. I don't know how good the exhaust sound is, but on the camera, but it's awesome in real life. Alright, that's about it. Alright, thanks guys, see you later.